Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate Etendo Copilot with Google Drive. We will see an example of how we can load products from a Google Sheet, simple, quick, and easy. To do this, the first thing is to generate an authentication token to access Google Drive from Etendo. First, we open the Auth Provider window. We press the Get Middleware Token button and select the Google Drive provider. A pop-up will open, and we select the account we want to give access to. We allow access to information. Once this is done, if we reload, we will be able to see the generated token. Now we have two options. Ask Copilot to create a new file in Google Drive and then upload the data, ensuring the new file has permissions. Alternatively, we can grant access to an existing file. A pop-up will appear with all the accessible files from our account, and in this case, we give permission to the products import file that we will use next. Okay, as we see in this file, we have a list of 20 new products with name, search key, category, and description, which we will upload to Etendo using Copilot. What we're going to do is ask the Data Initialization Supervisor to create a new product for each line of the table in this file. In the conversation, we send the link to the file and also clarify that they need to load the token we just generated so Copilot can access the information. What this agent will do is create a task for each new product that needs to be created. If we go to the task window, we'll see that the corresponding tasks were generated, with the product generator agent responsible for each action. Here, tasks run automatically, going through the states pending, in progress, evaluating, and completed. If we refresh the window after a few seconds, we will see that all tasks are now in the completed status. Now let's check that the products were indeed created in Etendo. As we can see, there were originally 40 products, and if we reload the window, we will see that we now have a total of 60 products. If we access one of them, we can view the name, search key, category, and description, which are perfectly created. If needed, we can edit or add more information. In short, you can create hundreds of products in seconds. Endless lists of new supplier products are now a thing of the past. In summary, the Data Initialization Supervisor agent can currently download files from Google Drive and create tasks in bulk to run specific agents. It can also use the Business Partner Generator and Product Generator agents to execute these specific data creation tasks. But remember that these are specific cases, and this agent or other agents can be expanded to handle other information. Google Drive can be a new data source for Copilot and Etendo, reaffirming the importance of integration in business ecosystems. That's all for now. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. For more information on setup and use, you can find the link in the description below. See you in the next video.